Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil and the oil filter on a Honda car. Don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. Thank you. First we have to lift the front of the car so we can go underneath. Open the bonnet. Remove the dipstick and the oil cap. Just like this. Then we can go under the car. The oil filter is in this position at the back of the engine. This one here. And this is the plug. First of all, we have to remove the oil filter. I already loosen. Remove it slowly. This oil is black, like in a diesel car. So before fitting a new one, make sure to put new oil on a rubber seal, so the next time if you want to replace it, it's much easier to replace and the seal doesn't get stuck on the engine, just like this. Just screw it back. Just tighten it all the way down with your hand. Don't use any key. You can tighten with the key but just one half turn. Now we have to remove the sun plug. Be careful because the oil is hot. Very tight the sun plug. Don't over tight it. That's it, just like this. Just clean the dirty oil. Remove the stands underneath the car and then make sure that the car is on level. We can fill a new oil. You need to be between the 2 points, the minimum and maximum. The better is near the maximum. If it's near the minimum, you have to top up. Close the oil cap. Turn the engine on. You have to wait, then make sure that this icon disappear. If this one doesn't disappear, then there's some problem. Maybe you have a oil leak. Turn off the engine. Wait one or 2 minutes, and then check again the oil level. That's it. Good job. You change your oil by yourself. Thank you for watching.